Hello, welcome to my presentation. My name is Katai Francis Pande, and the goal of my presentation is to show you a summary of our study titled Implementation of SmartCare Electronic Health Record System Project in Zambia using Tenets of Project Management. I have divided my presentation into 7 parts. First of all, I'm going to talk about the background of our study. Secondly, I'll talk about our research objectives. Then I'll talk about the significance of the study, literature review, methodology, findings and discussions, and finally, I will tell you about our conclusion and recommendations. Let's start with the background. As you may be aware, health information system is an integral part of a functioning health system. According to the WHO, one of the core components of strengthening health information system is the need to improve its development. And SmartCare health system is one such system that has been implemented in Zambia. However, several studies have raised concerns about the performance and functionality of health systems globally. In Zambia, studies done on SmartCare health system are limited when it comes to the process and project success from the developer's view using project management principles. As alluded to by Deloney et al., the agreed hypothesis of a successful health information system is when the implemented system is accepted to be used by end users and when end users are satisfied. The main aim and objective of our study was to investigate the implementation of SmartCare Electronic Health Record System project in Zambia using principles of project management. The specific objectives were to determine the critical success factors and challenges of health information system and to determine the performance and functionality of SmartCare system in Zambia. Significance of the study. The study will give a clear insight and indication of how SmartCare project has performed against the set project management standards. This may assist in improving the current and future development of SmartCare system in Zambia, which can help enhance long-term outcomes of the project. Literature review. The principles used to investigate the implementation of SmartCare system according to project management were scope management knowledge area and quality management knowledge area. These, of course, are coming from the 10 knowledge areas of project management. Methodology. Our quantitative research was done using descriptive study design. Data was collected using questionnaires and review of literature available on the subject matter. An entire population sampling of 82 SmartCare users were drawn from first-level health systems in Lusaka district of Lusaka province in Zambia. Data was analyzed using Stata software and Microsoft Excel. Findings and discussions. Table 1 highlights the social demographic characteristics of the 82 SmartCare users that responded to questionnaires. This, of course, comprised of their gender, their age group, their level of education, work experience, and location. As seen from Table 2, it shows the summary of findings. Let me expand on this. It was evident by half of the users that the performance of SmartCare system is sufficient and meets minimum standards. Furthermore, 56% indicated that the functionality of the system is below required standard. However, 64% of the users did allude to the fact that the challenges and constraints of the system limits the system efficiency and sustainability. It was further established by 82% of the users that the critical success factors are indeed critical to its success. According to our study, the overall system performance is sufficient and meets minimum requirements. The functionality is below required standard. This is consistent with studies done by Mwiya et al., Mwiya et al., which found that despite the good system architecture, SmartCare has inefficiency issues and software system failures. Our findings are also consistent with a study by Shelley et al., which found that the user's experience with failed attempts using SmartCare impaired system uptake. Our findings showed that the system challenges and constraints limit the system efficiency and sustainability. This is in accordance with studies by Mwiya, Mwiya, and Sai et al., which noted the same challenges. In conclusion, the system performance and functionality are barely meeting software design expectations according to principles of project management. This is depriving the productivity standards. Future interventions to develop SmartCare system should focus on improving its technical design, continuous monitoring of the system qualities, continuous engagement and coordination of stakeholders, and of course, adoption of international health information system standard components. In an effort to build smart, resilient, and sustainable infrastructure, we recommend investing in such infrastructure such as this, the SmartCare system. We recommend investing in infrastructure, workflow, data, and flow challenges. We further recommend to manage system failures and enforce disaster recovery plans. We recommend creating new vaccination modules or disease modules which SmartCare system can accommodate, for example, the coronavirus disease. And that brings me to the end of my presentation.